Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm looking at the price per square foot of some of the most popular small footprint prefab homes. Over the last couple years, I've posted a lot of videos about prefab homes, and it's led to even more direct feedback, which gives me a feel for what people are thinking about the market. Right now, there are a lot of cool options available, but it doesn't matter what I post, there always seems to be a group of people up in arms about something. One thing I always get a kick out of is the people who obsess over the price per square foot of a small footprint home and compare it to something that's completely different, like your typical McMansion. I can easily get someone to build a 5,000 square foot barn dominium with a small bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen for a lot less per square foot than a Boxable casita, but who cares? There's no point in comparing apples to bananas, so I thought it might be a good idea to get together a list of popular homes in a comparable size range to give people an idea of what's available and at what price. What I'm going to do is give you a list of 5 off-site constructed homes broken down to price per square foot to give you an idea of who's got what and for how much. There are a lot of reasons someone might be looking to buy a small home that was built off-site, but price per square foot usually isn't one of them. Right now, people are buying prefab homes for a primary residence, rental income in the form of an accessory dwelling unit, cottages, or an extra space to work from home, just to name a few. The reason I'm not worried about price per square foot compared to other larger forms of construction is because the square footage is so small in these homes that the comparison becomes useless. When making that comparison, I'm more concerned about overall price versus overall price and actually knowing how much the thing costs. Today, I'm going to look at 4 homes under 400 square feet and one at 426, just to keep everyone on their toes. The first home is one of the most Instagram friendly off-site constructed units available, and that's the Holo OffGrid from Drop Structures. Drop Structures is located a few hours up the road from me in Lethbridge, Alberta, and deliver all over North America. The description says, built as a foundation for your backcountry dreams, the Holo OffGrid offers nearly as much room as the Holo Plus without the constraints. The kitchenette and bathroom area are designed to accept a wide array of off-grid amenities, while the loft adds extra space to the living area. The Holo OffGrid is your key to a more luxurious backcountry. The Holo OffGrid is 20 feet long by 10 feet wide for 200 square feet with the option to extend the length, add more skylights, or a fireplace. What I like best about the Holo OffGrid from Drop Structures is the look. These things are a combination of elegant and cool that isn't easy to achieve. I think you could put one of these things almost anywhere and it's going to look like it's meant to be there. The Holo OffGrid has a base price of $53,000, which works out to $265 per square foot. There are a handful of companies in the space who have built up a loyal community around their product or brand, and one of those is Incredible Tiny Homes. I posted a video about the Incredibox from Incredible Tiny Homes a while back, and the amount of comments I got from their fan base was astounding. Usually my videos get around 100 to 200 comments, but the ITH community dropped almost 500 comments, and most of them were talking about how great the owners of the company are. It was an eye-opener and definitely a sign they're doing a lot of things right. If you missed that video, the Incredibox is an 8x16 tiny that is their first all-production home. At 128 square feet, the Incredibox is the smallest home in the video today, but it also comes with the smallest price tag. In order to hit an affordable price point on the Incredibox, they've changed the way they manufacture to streamline the process. Instead of having the home stationary during the build and bringing everything to the home, they've started building them in more of a production line style where the home moves from one station to the next and each station works on a specific section of the home. On top of that, they've introduced a new concept that I haven't seen anywhere else that actually has customers finishing simple jobs on these homes DIY style after the purchase. Exterior paint, interior paint, and a few other small items are left to the customer to complete after they've taken delivery in order to be able to keep these prices down as much as possible. Every little bit helps, and Incredible Tiny Homes currently has the Incredibox for sale for an even $20,000, which works out to $156 per square foot. ZeniHome is a new player in the space on a mission to transform the way people buy, build, and live in their home. They're developing housing alternatives that optimize space, reduce waste, and help preserve the planet's resources. ZeniHome is currently in the process of developing their production line and first 2 prototypes with hopes of starting production in June. Their model lineup consists of 2 homes, the Citizen at 640 square feet and the Denizen at 320 square feet. Since we're comparing the price per square foot of homes 400 square feet and under, today we're checking out the Denizen. The Denizen is a studio with dimensions of 20 feet long by 16 feet wide with an exterior that consists of a living room, sleeping area, kitchen, office, and bathroom. They're shaking things up by incorporating rooms that more or less transform to make the most of the space. For example, in the bedroom living room, the bed lowers from the ceiling at the touch of a button whenever you want to go to sleep, so it isn't taking up space during the day when you're living your life. So even though the space isn't huge, you're able to maximize every square foot by using them for multiple purposes. I think it's a great idea. I'm waiting patiently for the prototypes to be done, which based on a recent update should be in around 4 to 6 weeks, because I think they're going to be a very cool looking home. If the renderings are any indication, and they usually are, this is going to be one of the finest looking homes in the space. The Denizen has a preliminary price of $75,000, which works out to $234 per square foot. I can't rightly do a video about homes under 400 square feet without including arguably the most popular in the category, a Boxable. The Boxable Casita has been met with a level of fanfare that I haven't seen any other company in the industry be able to replicate. From what I can tell from the outside looking in, they have a cool new product, an affordable price, and then they amplify their message with a marketing strategy that is far from traditional but is obviously working. The home is a 19.5 foot by 19.5 foot studio that ships 8 feet wide and gets unfolded on site when it arrives. Their first 170,000 square foot factory was finished in Las Vegas at the end of 2021, and there are currently around 100,000 people on the wait list to get one. What I like best about Boxable is they're just different. Everything from the home itself to their marketing is completely different than anything I'm used to seeing, and it's fascinating to watch. The Casita currently has a price tag of $50,000, and with a footprint of 375 square feet, that puts them at $133 per square foot. The last home I want to show you today is just over the 400 square foot limit by 26 square feet, so you can choose to completely disregard if you think it should be disqualified, but I think it's important. The home I'm talking about is the Thrifty 1 by Factory Expo Home Centers. This is a 1-bedroom manufactured home that I think could be a good option for a lot of people because of the price. The home is 13 foot 2 wide by 32 feet long with a bedroom, bathroom, living room, and kitchen. I get a lot of comments on my channel saying that whatever home I might be talking about is not affordable, so I wanted to direct people's attention to a special being run right now. The Thrifty 1 from Factory Expo Home Centers is currently on sale for $36,900, which works out to $86.61 per square foot. Even if I take that price and divide it by 400 square feet to keep the comparison fair, it still works out to $92.25 per square foot, and we'll just say the extra 26 square feet is for free. What do I like best about the Thrifty 1? Obviously, it's the price. That's a smoking deal. Even though I don't really see the point in comparing price per square foot on homes this size, people really do seem to like the metric, so I thought why not see what it works out to on a few of the more popular models. It was interesting, but at the end of the day, when I'm buying, I like to figure out the maximum price I'm able and willing to spend, and then find the home that offers me the most value within my budget. Everyone values different things, so some people might be drawn towards cool gadgets, like a bed that lowers down from the ceiling, while others value simplicity and might gravitate towards the Incredibox. With that being said, I think the way I can provide the most value is to continue showing all the different options currently available in the space, and there's new ones being added all the time, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.